on Friday, God saw all that he had made and it was very good. All the other days it says good. God saw the light and it was good. But on Friday, God saw everything he had made and it was very good. So the Medrash says, what does very good mean? Good is good. What's very good? The Medrash says, good is the Yetzer Tov. God saw that it was Tov. Well, that's the Yetzer Tov. Very good, that's the Yetzer Hara. Isn't that a strange statement? Because when you take the energy of the Yetzer Hara and make it good, it's not just good, it's very good. So what does it mean? God created and it was very good. It was very good means that's the beginning of history, not the conclusion. So it's not like, oh, it's very good, now we can retire and go back to sleep. No, now we have a world ready to be redeemed, elevated, fixed. Why? Because there's a Yetzer Hara. And that energy, that Eitz Hadas, we got to get that. We got to get that. And then the lowest world, the one that has the Yetzer Hara, comes out on top. Because in the world of Atzilus, you don't have the passion for godliness that a Baal Tshuva on earth has. Because in Atzilus, there's no pushback. So, is evil real? Evil is...
It seems like it's more real than good.
That's right. Exactly right. Exactly right. And that's why we ask, why is there evil? We don't ask, why is there good? Because it's just good. There's nothing special. We ask about evil because there's something special there. And it doesn't belong there.
There's something crazy there. I think that's special. I think it's always just crazy.
But crazy has an energy
It's insane.
right.
That's what it is.
And insanity has more energy than sanity. People who go crazy have more strength than a normal human being. Right? Maniacal energy. Well, why don't we have that? Why do you have to be maniacal? Why do you have to be a maniac to have that kind of energy?
So what's our job? To take a strength from evil and channel it?
Yes.
So we're all going to go weird tonight. Where are we going? Like, what are you saying?
No,
Go to the evil
he's
and
not
channel
saying to
it?
be bad. He's not saying to go do the bad. He's saying take that.
No, he's saying
I'll tell you what
passion,
crazy,
evil,
right?
and get-
Tell you what
I
crazy.
don't think to go into
You know
the
what I'm
evil.
saying?
How do you
That's what he
tap into
said.
that
How do you
evil
tap
passion?
I'll tell you what
How do
crazy good
besides
means.
doing sin. That's what she's
Right.
asking.
Crazy good means the Rebbe sitting by a Farbrengen
That is, yeah.
in
Very
19
optimized
in
crazy
1960, right? Everybody is still bleeding from the Holocaust, and the Rebbe says, "We're going to change the world." Come on,
That's insane. Yeah.
yeah. Talk normal. What are you saying? Like everybody else said, we are going to rebuild ourselves. We're going to get back to what we once had. That's normal. And they accomplished it. All the other Chassidish groups. Their cities were destroyed, their people were killed out, and now they're back.
Some disappear.
And they have, yeah. But you know, it was a natural process also. Even in the good days, they kind of
Yes,
merged
to
and,
begin
yeah. So now they have these huge centers with magnificent buildings and huge yeshivas with thousands of kids, and back to normal. The Rebbe said, I don't want to go back to normal. What's normal? The world wasn't created to be normal. If you want normal, Atzilus. That's normal. There's God, there's nothing besides God, everything's good. God wasn't content with that. God created an abnormal world. So what are you going to make of it? Normal? In an abnormal world, you have to have an abnormal amount of godliness. So really, without noticing, we're all insane. We're all insane. What, shlichus is not an insanity? It's pure insanity. You take a young, inexperienced couple, send them into a community that does not agree with them on anything. That's insane. And you think the couple is going to come out on top? What are you thinking? And guess what? They come out on top.
Is that because the couple's not bringing goodness, they're bringing God?
It's
Right, that's it.
you get a little kid to go on miftzayim. It's insane. And you know how we know that it's insane? Because when the Rebbe started it, everybody said, that's insane. The Rebbe said, right. What's your point? That's insane. What do you expect? Isn't that why we're here? So, do you have to really be cuckoo? No, we're pretty insane as it is. It's really like, you stop and think about it. A person gets married and is loyal to the marriage. That's insane. No? No?
No.
What was the question?
That was
Being
the same
monogamous.
question.
Huh?
Being monogamous is insane. It's an insane godliness. What are you thinking? That's not normal. By all standards. So maybe in the olden days, you couldn't imagine not being loyal to your marriage. Today you can't imagine. Most of the people you know are not loyal to their marriage. Because to be loyal is insane. So the question is this: how normal can our insanity become? People look at Chabad, you're insane. We look at it and, what? Well, what are we doing? What's insane? Go on shlichus? Yeah, well, what else are you going to do? To us, the insanity has become sane. And the Rebbe didn't like that. So every time we got comfortable with a mitzvah, he added a new one. Oh, you're getting too comfortable. You're becoming way too sane. Now go and reach out to non-Jews. Whoa, 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 that's insane. Uh-huh. Yep. Totally insane. Now bring Mashiach. I should bring Mashiach. Yes. But that's insane. Uh-huh.